Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're gonna be reacting to
NCT WISH music video for Songbird, the Korean version. So guys, we reacted to the Japanese version, but you said the Korean version music video will be different, so we are here to react. So check out Japanese version reaction if you haven't seen it, and let's get into the Korean version.
Is there
The Japanese one, if you remember, where they were like a USPS, they kind of fell into the hole and they delivered the goods. So this is, let's see what this is. Already starts different because the start of that video they kind of fell into the hole.
Yeah, they have a different job here.
I forgot about this beat. This beat is good. That Latin beat, I like it. Same job. They still delivery drivers though.
But their outfits are different.
No, it's a different staging, but the idea is similar. Yeah, they're still like delivering, and you see the little birds, like a songbirds too.
This part, here it looked like performance video.
Yeah, the dancing, This part, honestly, I feel like certain scenes are cut from the other video. Because this scene I remember. And I think them dancing in that little car shop also is from the old video. I remember that part. Yeah, them doing all this, I remember that. Yes, because we were talking, oh, is that candy? What is that? Yeah.
The guy with the blue hair stands out so much for me.
Yeah, the hair makes them stand out. Yeah, the pink hair and the blue hair, they both stand out for sure.
This has those are dandelions, no?
Yeah, I believe so, yeah. Yeah, I see the music video is different, so you guys didn't lie, but a lot of repeated scenes. I feel like the story of the video is the same, just filmed from a little different perspective, I would say. But the idea, the messaging in the music video is kind of the same as the Japanese version. That's this delivering them in this car. Wasn't this the other video too? I remember that. Good dancers though. They dance well. Yeah, that's some complicated choreography right there.
The campfire.
Yeah, a lot of similarities. Songbird. I like that little Songbird part, but I think the more iconic would be go Songbird, go Songbird, go Songbird.
Wow.
Kite. Cool.
Guys, of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out our reaction to the Japanese version. And as always, share as much kindness as possible. Bye.